I'm Charlotta Kemp. I'm the Program Manager for the Perth landing pad at Space Cubed in Perth, Western Australia. I'm here at the Amtz today, and it's been absolutely fantastic to see these amazing facilities, meet talented startups, see the fantastic R&D happening at this big centre. My mind is just blown away with this amazing innovation going on here. What I'm hoping with this visit is to get some really talented startups from this hub to come over to Western Australia to share their innovation, their technology, and really help us grow our innovation ecosystem in the medtech and health sector in Western Australia. It's been a great visit, and I would love to come back here again.